Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, welcome back to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch VIDEOCON LED TV. Here in this TV the complaint is double image problem along with color change problem. Here this TV comes with a BOE panel. Here actually these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in gate signals inside the glass panel. If both sides gate signals are short then it's difficult to repair. Here we tried both sides gate signals are internally short, so because of that temporary solution is not possible. So here the permanent solution is panel replacement. It is the permanent fixing method. Now here we installed new model BOE Panel. See friends. Now the TV is repaired successfully, so that's it. Hope you liked this video. See you in another video with another interesting topic. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.